Hi Jamie, happy anniversary. This is, I'm making you a video because we are not together today, and I know that you love me, and I know you love snow. So this is my car, this big lump, and I think this is Christina's car, Joe's daughter, and right there is Pasha. Pasha is way covered. It's amazing. Anyway, here's the house. There's Pen. You can see the snowdrift from the plows. It's pretty crazy. I just shoveled like a little ant maze up to Brandon's house. And here's our little hacienda with the myrtle. Look at that. Isn't that crazy how high the snow is? A lot of this is drifted though. But anyway, there's Mo sitting in the window. Let's go and say hi to Momo. Here's the side yard. You can see the pots. So crazy. Anyway, there's Mr. Moman. Wondering where the heck you are. Hi, Momo. There he is. Good boy. Alright. So, this is what it is. Crazy storm. Anyway, love you.